Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to Chatworthy Beauty. Today we have Julienne in the chat room. She's showing us how to recreate some of my favorite looks from the Barbie movie. The very first one we're gonna get started with is that blue polka dot headband look. What are we doing? How do we get the best version of this look?
Okay, so listen here. We don't got a wig cap. We don't have time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this thing in a ponytail. So first, what I like to do when I'm working with a style that requires it to be really flat, I want to make sure that the front is flat. It's very important because, of course, you want the wig to look as natural as possible, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put your hair in a ponytail in the back. If you're a person, if you're brave and you feel like you want to be ambitious and show off, you can also do 2 braids, and that way you'll still get that flat look. Okay, so now I'm going to twist this in a bun. So here we have, I want to say it's a 14-inch lace front wig. We're going to go ahead and you have to brush it out, okay? Well, if you put a nappy wig on, you're gonna have some issues. All right. So go ahead, put your head back a bit.
Oh, back.
Okay, hold the front for me. The band that's in the back, you're gonna tuck it under the bun. This is gonna give the security that you need so the wig doesn't fly off. I'm gonna bring this forward. Please adjust. Let's make sure your ears are out. So we're gonna do a part on this side. It's gonna be a swoop, and then it's gonna tuck behind the ear, and then the headband is gonna go over, okay? So in this case, we're gonna pull everything back. I'm gonna use a little bit of wig spray here.
And why are we using a wig instead of my natural hair?
Because we're dramatic, duh. This is Barbie.
Exactly.
Barbie was fabulous.
Okay.
She didn't have time to go get a press and curl.
Exactly.
She said, you know what? I'm gonna come out straight. She was born with straight hair. Nah. By the way, I remember being a kid, I was obsessed with Barbies. I had so many Barbies. I had the dream house, I had the cars, I had everything. I was obsessed.
I didn't realize that all of the Barbies were named, like that they were all Barbies. I thought they had their own names.
They did have their own names.
I just didn't like put 2 and 2 together that it was like, hi Barbie, oh hi Barbie, hi Barbie, you know? Like I thought it would be like, hi Christine, hi Barbie.
Did they have Kenya? Don't get
No.
They didn't have Kenya.
In the end credits, they showed that the first Black Barbie's name was Christine. And I remember Kelly.
I remember Kelly. But Kelly was a teenager.
Okay.
She was the little teenager with the really long hair.
Mm-hmm.
This is sad that we were talking about this. This is really bringing up like my childhood memories.
I love it. I had Barbies, but I also remember having like Polly Pockets and Bratz dolls.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And American dolls more than Barbies.
I put a little wig spray here just so it holds it down, because when you decide you want to go and party, shake a tail feather or whatnot, you don't want your wig flying off.
Which I like to do.
Or like when you put your hands on your knees.
Drop it down low.
Right. So I'm gonna put that one back. Okay, now I have my pins. So we have to pin the wig down. All right, so let's talk for a moment. When you're using a bobby pin, you do not open the bobby pin. It takes away from the tension. You wanna slightly open it a bit so that it has the proper tension. The top part that has the wave goes at the top. It does not go at the bottom. That's how people get poked.
Oh.
So you go ahead and you make sure it's flat, and it'll have the most tension if you don't split it from the beginning. So now I'm gonna work on this side first.
Okay.
Because I just wanna establish the shape of it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna tuck it behind the ear for now. And if you need to, folks, you can always use Got To Be, but you wanna use Got To Be as the last step. So I'm using Sebastian spray. Right now I'm just creating some type of control so that the style looks sleek.
I think that's always a misconception. Don't be afraid to use hairspray.
Oh yeah, no.
And wigs are even better because, you know, Jules does my hair. Like she is in control of my hair. So I literally just got a press and curl yesterday. And I feel like, you know, putting lots of hairspray on my hair right after I got a press and curl is never an option for me. And so I feel limited on the hairstyles I can do, but with a wig, baby girl, it's free reign.
Baby girl, it's your world. And the great thing about wigs, besides the fact that it protects, you get to have fun. So if you don't start naming your wigs, you should name them.
That's a good idea.
So what are we gonna name her? So the original.
The original. What are your wigs names?
So I'm still working on that because, and this is being very transparent. I got really, really into wigs in the last year, like wearing them.
Yeah.
I used to always like play around. I'll wear them for like a couple of days and then I will take them out. But now I have transitioned my life to the wig gods.
Hallelujah.
I'm a little bit more inappropriate, so I'll probably come up with really inappropriate names for them. So like throat, faster, you know, shit like that. Cause listen, we gotta keep it live. I'm pushing 40. Hot something, you know, we gotta have some fun. I'm out here just trying to live. You know, people be like, I'm gonna go my wig Beyonce. It's like, for what? Girl, you ain't Beyonce.
Right.
Nor are you on the tour. You couldn't afford the ticket because I know damn well I couldn't afford the ticket.
Listen, I will hear her on Spotify, okay? And be just happy seeing her on TikTok.
So now I have my bayang.
Bye.
So I'm gonna secure, all this is gonna be hidden with our lovely,
the iconic blue polka dotted headband.
do 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 do. Okay. Look at the headbands.
It's adorable.
Cute, cutesy. So this is a quick tutorial, y'all. So y'all can't be out here judging, okay? Because we can't lay all of the lace down right now. So now I'm going in with my got2b. Close off this, make sure it's clean. And throw a couple curls back here.
That's the biggest thing about this look. Okay, so one, we did the swoop. This swoop is, I think this swoop is even cleaner than Barbie's swoop.
Oh,
like low key.
So they should have hired me. Easter, hello, where you at? Bro, we're out here playing. I'm in LA if you need me.
Yes, and her curls at the end were so like big and bouncy. Like they looked so full. So what is the secret when you're curling on how to get that bouncy full curl?
Okay, so the secret is when you are curling, you want to make sure, first of all, where we at? You make sure that you put the hair in the middle of the hair, not the ends, okay? So you don't take it from the ends and roll it. Why? Because wherever the dominant heat is, that's what's gonna curl, right? Here's the mid shaft. That's what we call mid shaft. Curling iron, okay? Put it in the middle, roll it around, and roll it and roll it. And if you're a G and you want to spend a little bit of coin, you go get a T3 because the plates are nice and smooth and they make sure you get a lovely curl and they straighten the hair as you curl. And then once you curl, you let it sit in your hand for a moment, you let it cool down. The reason why you want to do that is because if the hair is in a formation warm, it's more likely to stay where it's laying. So if the hair drops, the curl might drop. Okay?
Got it. So curling irons and tools really matter.
Oh, yes, they do. 1000%. When I was in my phase of doing makeup, I was taught that your brand is what makes your price. So you have to learn how to spend a little bit more. You don't have to, otherwise you end up spending more if you think about it. Because like, don't get me wrong, you can use other brands. There are a lot of great brands out there. I'm just a big fan of the sleekness of this curling iron, and also because I want everything to match. So that's why I chose to go with T3. Plus I know it gets really, really hot. So it'll get me straight to the point and I can actually curl faster if I need to. But for this, for what? I'm trying to show y'all how to curl.
Let's talk about prepping wigs, because I think people don't realize that this is something you can do. And it really honestly is something I always forget about. But like, how do you go about prepping a wig? Like, do you have to think about, okay, well, this is the style that I want to go to. Are you pre-curling it? Or like what is prepping a wig?
Prepping a wig is, well, if you are a person that, if you have a wig head, you can prep your styles. So what I personally will do, if I know I have a wig that I want curl and I want it to last, I'll curl it the night before and I'll put one of those, you know, those old school kitchen nets.
Yes.
And just put it in there, leave it on the wig head, let it chill for the night, and then I just put it on, take the little net off, and then it's perfect.
You guys can shop all of this on the Chatworthy Mag Amazon storefront. Honey, this is our finished look. Stunning!
Yes, cute.
I'm
cute,
obsessed.
Cute.
And there you have it, the Barbie gorgeous polka-dot blue headband look done by the one and only Julienne Moore.
Julienne Moore.
Make sure you guys follow Chatworthy Beauty for more amazing beauty content. Jules, where can everybody find you on social media?
So you can find me on Instagram at JUMONAE, and then all my profile and portfolio and all that is tagged there for you. And also my website. Please come check me out. I got some swag for you.
Okay. Bye, y'all.